It's not that far, Ada. Please consider, please.
It's not just the distance. It's not just the distance, Kelechi. Life moves on. People move on.
I know I would find you here. You love this spot more than you love me, I swear.
Don't be jealous, Kelechi. You know the trees around listens to me without arguing.
Okay, if you say so. Wow. Shade on shade, Abby? Okay. Yeah, take this.
Oh.
My peace offering.
Oh, acceptable though, but you know you're still on probation.
You, Ada. You.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. That's why I'm smiling.
Thank God. So, Ada, this is where you disappeared to. I thought you were meeting someone else here.
Meeting who, Kelechi?
Oh, you're not meeting
What
anybody?
are you talking about?
Thank God. Thank God, Ada. Nothing, no. Nothing, no. I was just checking. Ada, remember the first time we came here?
Of course. You just ran all the way from the camp gates because you thought I was meeting someone else here.
Yes now. I wasn't about to let one small random guy take my Ada away from me. You know? I don't want them to steal you.
But I wasn't meeting anyone. I just needed space from your random Lagos gist, traffic gist, you know.
Lagos traffic, you remember? Ada, Lagos traffic is character building. Hope you know.
Oh, Jerry, I beg, open my drink.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Put a drink. Careful, don't remove your teeth.
Ada, this is for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a sip.
I will, definitely. Okay.
Hey, Ada, why do I feel like there's something you're not telling me? Hope everything is okay.
I was just thinking about what happens after now. You know, after Nysc.
What? What do you mean? I thought we've talked about all this. You in Abuja and me in Lagos. No matter the distance, we'll be together. It's not that far, Ada. Please consider, please.
It's not just the distance, Kelechi. Life moves on. People move on.
So, Ada, you're already moving on.
No, Kelechi. I just don't want us to make promises we can't keep.
know I didn't plan on falling for anyone during this NYC. My own is just to serve and go back to my normal life. Not until I met you, Ada. Please.
But then I fall for your bad jokes and oversized khaki.
But at least I've slimmed my khaki and, I'm looking okay. But after all, you like my joke, don't you?
I did. I do. That's the problem, Kelechi. You are unforgettable.
Ada.
Kelechi.
This spot you're standing here today, remember, it's our safe spot. This is where I told you I liked you the first time I saw you. This is where we planned for our PPA project. And also, this is where we laughed about our CDS leaders' fake assets. You're laughing, Abby?
You mean his sophisticated accent?
Exactly, Ada. But now, you are saying this will just be a memory. Ada?
I'm not saying we will forget each other, Kelechi. But let's be realistic. If life pulls us apart, let's promise to always cherish this.
Ada, that's not enough for me, Ada. That's not enough for me.
Then tell me, what do you want?
Ada, I want us to try to fight for this. I don't care if it's Lagos, Abuja, or even Sokoto. I don't just want to lose you, Ada. I don't.
You will never lose me, Kelechi. No matter where we are, this space, this moment, it will always be ours.
Action.
Oh, it's smiling.
Hey, I don't die. Now love, I know if you play like this.